Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Nayoka. Guys, I'm just coming from school right now and I just decided to do this quick video just to share this thought with you because I've been thinking like school is not like school anymore. Like college, this is the college life that I was living last semester is not the same college life I'm living right now. College life used to be fun. I used to have friends. I used to see people. But now, I'm not seeing anyone. It's just empty all hallways. But anyways, guys, before I get into the video and share my thought with you, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching and always commenting and liking on my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button. And remember to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, then you will be the first one to get notified. I just want to share a thought that I had. This thought came because this morning when I was coming to school, it was so like quiet and dead and lame. I was like, this is not school. Like school used to be so fun. Like you used to meet new people every day. You used to see so many people and connect with people. But now it's just so dead. Like look at this parking lot. This parking lot used to be so full of cars. You can even hardly find you could hardly find a parking space. And look at it, it's so empty. I'm not liking this. Like school used to be a place where I want to go all the time, but now I'm like I feel so lame when I have to go to school. I'm like do I have to go, because when I come here it's just getting straight to the point. You go to school, you change your clothes, the same routine over and over. You don't even see people. That's the first thing. The only people that you see are your classmates, and maybe you might see other people from your program in the hallways. Like it's not fun. Like college life should be college life and happy and everybody meeting new people and laughing and friends and having fun and all that. But this is just like I don't know, it's lame. You just come, you just get straight to the point. You come to school, you do what you have to do and leave. Like nothing else is there to attract you. Like even in these hallways, we used to be able to like sit on these chairs, relax before class. No, look, they have tapes on them. We can't even sit there anymore. Like look, the floors have these social distancing thing. Like it's just different. I want my life back. I want my college life. It's so different. I want my college life back. I want my college life back. I remember when I used to be at school, I used to hang out with my friends in the library, and we used to sit there. We used to do assignments. Even talking about assignments, like even assignments are lame. You don't even want to do them. I feel so lazy sometimes to do my own assignments because I'm like, yo, before what I used to do is I used to just get up, like do all my assignments one time. I just dedicate one day of the week, and that's the day when I do all my assignments. And that used to be fun, because when I do all my assignments on that day, I have the rest of the week free to chill and hang out with my friends and do, what I want to do. But now it's like, I'm home. Most of the time when I'm doing my online class, I'm in bed. So you know how that is already. So I just decided to share this thought. It's not going to be a long video. It's going to be very short. It's not really nice again. Before, school used to be nice. School used to be fun. But now it's very lame. I know that winter is coming. Like Winter is right around the corner, and it's getting cold and it's getting even more lame. So I don't know, I wish this thing just go away now so that we can just go back to our normal lives, because I can't deal with it.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Baby?
I'm doing a video. Anyways, school was nice. Like every single day you meet somebody new, and then you get to connect and network with other people. But no, it's like you just get up, go to school, go, it's just direct. Like you just go to school, do what you have to do, then leave. That's it. And it's not really fun. Like this is no college life. This is just, I don't know what to call it. So yeah, I just decided to share that with you guys. And even though classes are still fun, because I still get to see my previous, some of them from last semester, so it's really nice. And but then we have to wear a mask, and it's just lame, to be honest. Like school nowadays is lame, and that's the hard truth. Like any person you ask, anybody that goes to school, whether college or high school or university or wherever, if you ask them the same question, they'll tell you it's lame. And also the online classes, it's lame, because most of us, when we're online at home, most of us are in bed when class is going on. So it doesn't even give you any motivation to do things. It just causes a big impact on your life, and you're just always feeling lame and bored, and like you feel like you're not doing anything. But anyway, like I just want this thing to get over with so I can get back to my normal life. No, it's getting cold and it's even worse. But anyway, guys, this is just a quick thought that I had today. I'm like, you know what, let me just do a quick video, because I know other people can relate to this. And if you are going to school now in a pandemic and you have online classes, or you go to school sometimes and you have online classes sometimes, just feel free to comment down below and tell me what your experience is, and let's just put our ideas out there, because really it's lame, to be honest. That's the best word to describe it. It's lame. Lame. L-A-M-E, lame. You want to know how I fit all of this under this? I'll show you right now. Watch carefully.
Sing!
That's it. Anyway, guys, I'm at the bus stop. I'm just waiting for the next bus to come. I know the bus is gonna be here soon, so I'm gonna just finish off this video before it comes. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, just subscribe. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys, bye.